Hello mathematicians, and welcome to Math with Mrs. Halverson. Today we're talking more about addition of ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And today we're really going to focus on renaming or exchanging 3 times. So today we're going to be adding with renaming 3 times. So here's our first problem. We have 7,444 plus 678. All right. I'm going to have my number 1 just be blue today, and my second number be purple. Okay, so we have 4, 40, 400, 7,000. All right, and on our second number, we have 8 ones, 7 tens, and 6 hundreds. Okay, now we know what the issues are. The most we can ever have in one place value is a 9. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which means we need to move 1 over to the 10 and erase 10 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what does that look like when we're doing it in the vertical algorithm, right? 4 plus 8 is 12. So we put a 2 down here, and we carry the 1 over. The 2 down there represents these 2 in the 1's place. The 110 up here represents this black 10 that we moved over from the 1's. Okay, let's keep going. Now we have another issue here. We can only have 9 in our 10's place. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to move 1 over here. And we have to get rid of 10 tens to make 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we leave 2. We leave 2. So what does that look like when we're doing the vertical algorithm? 10 plus 4 is 50. 50 plus 70 is 120. So we leave the 20 down here and we move 1 to the hundreds. So this 2 represents these 2 that are still in the tens place, and this extra 100 up here represents this black 100 here. Okay, now one more issue. We can only have 9. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we need 1 to go over to the thousands place. Let me get rid of 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 108,000. So what does that look like for us over here in our vertical algorithm? 100 plus 400 is 500. 500 plus 600 is 1,100. So we leave the 100 down here. That represents this 100. And then this one up here represents this black dot here. So how many thousands do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,000 plus 7,000 is 8,000. So our number is 8,122. Okay, let's do one more like this, and then we'll practice just a few using the vertical algorithm. Okay, so on your whiteboards, I hope you have your place value chart drawn so you can be following with me. If not, pause your device and make it now. We need a ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, we'll do it in your whiteboard, do it in your notebook, do it now. Okay, so what numbers should we choose? All right, how about 3,423 plus 979. Okay, so I like to add a little bit of color into my life. So I'm going to use blue for my first number, purple for my second. Okay, so we have our first number, we have 1, 2, 3 ones, 1, 2 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, and 1, 2, 3 thousands. Okay, so for our second number, we have 9 ones, 7, 8, 9, 7 tens, and 9 hundreds. Okay, go ahead and solve this on your own, renaming, taking away some from the ones, putting in the tens, taking some from the tens, putting in the hundreds, taking some from the hundreds, putting in the thousands. Pause your device and we'll go over it when you come back, once you finish. Welcome back, scholars. Let's see what we have here. Okay, first problem, too many ones. We have 12 ones. 9 plus 3 is 12 ones. So we need to put 1 here. And we need to get rid of 10. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are left with 2 ones. Okay, what does that look like for the vertical algorithm? 3 plus 9 is 12. We keep the ones down there. We put a 10 up here. This up here represents this black dot. This 2 represents the 2 ones that are left over. Okay, so let's see. How many 10s do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 tens. So, since we can only have 9, we do need to get exchanged for 100. We need to get rid of all of the dots, right? So let's look what this would look like on the vertical algorithm. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 70 is 100. So we have 0 tens, 1 100. This red 1 is this black dot. This 0 are these 0 tens. Okay. Now let's add the hundreds. Too many. How many do we have? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need to get rid of 10 and add 1,000. Okay, so let's add our hundreds. 100 plus 400 is 500. 500 plus 900 is 1,400. So we put the 400 up here, carry the 1,000. 1,000 plus 3,000 is 4,000. So this 4 represents these 4. This 4 represents these 4. This 1 represents the little black dot that we have there. Okay, so our answer is we have 4,000s, 400s, 0 tens, 2 ones, which is what we have right there. Okay, scholars, let's just do some vertical algorithm practice. All right, we're going to do one together. You're going to do one on your own. Then we're going to call it a day for math. Okay. So the one together, I'm going to make really tricky so that we can really practice. 9,870, 72 plus 398. Okay, so using the vertical algorithm, 2 plus 8 is 10. We put a 0 here because a 10 has zeros in the ones place, but it does have one 10. 10 plus 70 is 80. 80 plus 90 is 170. 100 plus 800 is 900. 900 plus 300 is 1,200 or 1,200. 1,000 plus 9,000 is 10,000. So that was renaming 3 times. Okay, now this one you're going to do on your own. If you get this incorrect, I'm going to have you meet with your math teacher during office hours. Okay, if you get this incorrect, 7,947 plus 3,076. All right, pause your device, solve this. If you get it incorrect, your job is to go see your teacher at office hours. Okay, go ahead, give it a try. Welcome back, scholars. 7 plus 6 is 13. 10 plus 40 is 50. 50 plus 70 is 120. 100 plus 900 is 1,000. 1,000 plus 300 is 1,300. 1,000 plus 7,000 is 8,000. So our answer is 8,323. Today, I'm going to have you write cookie on the top of your homework to make sure that your teacher knows you watched the video today. And the reason that you are writing cookie is because I really want a cookie. I love cookies. They're my favorite kind of dessert. So I hope that you guys have cookies at your house. You can go grab one now that we're talking about it. That would be sweet. Right, so today we added with renaming 3 times. Good luck on your homework, and I'll see you next time in our math videos. Bye, friends.